Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for this epic adventure. We are here right now at Rio, as my buddy Rex would say. We're at Rio, where you never have to fight for parking because nobody wants to come here. But up top, this is where the parking garage is. There's a little escalator thing to get down, but I figured we'd tour the up top part of this first for you, and then check out the casino floor down below. So if you guys know Rio, they have the track for the Carnival in the Sky. What do you think, son? This stuff is closed, man. Foodie Zipline is here, so if you guys want to check that out, you can do that right up here to the left. Yo, buddy, they got a tattoo shop. You want to get some work done while you're here? They have Voodoo Rooftop Nightclub here as well.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, all bar will give you a plan.
This will take you down to the casino floor here. So off to the left will be the hotel lobby, the Carnival World. Over to the right will be the convention way, and then the food court up here. They got some Keno up over on the left-hand side here, some old school Keno. It actually draws the balls live, which is kind of cool. High limit slots is up over here as well. This is a Caesars property, so if you guys are Caesars Entertainment or anything like that, you can come here and use your Players Club card and acquire points to get free hotel rooms and stuff like that. But I myself, I like to stay at MGM properties because I've earned pretty high Players Club card status there. So up on the left-hand side is the bathrooms up here. Up here is your hotel lobby, check-in, box office, concierge. You hungry? You want to get something to eat here? So I have the lobby bar up over to the right here.
Actually, it is like a judgment.
have Pho, Dang Mang, Vietnamese kitchen over to the left, All-American Bar and Grill over to the right, sports book up over on the left-hand side here, you guys. So if you want a good spot to chill on Sundays, that's a good place to do so. Up over to the right is going to be another good little spot. Drinks and bathrooms right over to the right. Coming up on the poker room up here to the left.
Why didn't the one under my hand? Okay, no, I'm
And up here is the buffet here at Rio. Doesn't even look like the buffet is open right now. What the hell? Let's see, hours Monday through Friday, 4 to 9, Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So it should be open, but weekday dinner, $31.99, local dinner, $27.50, Friday, $34.99, local, $30.50. Weekend dinner, $34.99. Champagne brunch, $28.99. Let's go wrap our way around and check out the rest of the casino floor here at the Rio. At some dim sum, seafood Chinese restaurant over here from KJ. Over on the left here is the Masquerade Village and this All-American Bar and Grill that I was talking about when we passed it the first time. Got some table games going on up over here. Cash cage up over on the left side, so we're kind of trying to avoid that area here.
Then just pray for good luck. Take a chance and try it.
15 for tables, 10 minimums, 25, 10, and 15 for tables for what I saw for minimums so far. We do have quite a few table games going on at the Rio right now. It's about, what time is it? 1:30 on Memorial Day. There's quite a few people in the casino today. A lot of people from out of town are enjoying the holiday. And up here they do have the wine cellar. High Limit Slots is up over on the left-hand side there. There's a little craft beer place up ahead that looks pretty decent. Might have to check that out for a drink, let you guys know how it is. We didn't catch the party in the sky, so they have these little floats and stuff that go on this track up here on the casino floor, and there's guys. It's like Mardi Gras is the best way to explain it. It's kind of like Carnival in the Sky is how they want to interpret it. It's kind of like a little mix of Circus Soleil and a little bit of everything good with Mardi Gras. It's a wine and spirit store over to the right hand side, so if you need to grab something to drink, some refreshments, you can do that there. And elevators to your room off over to the right here. Keep working our way down the casino floor. They have Smash Burger here, which is up on the left. Ladies Chippendales here, so if you're interested in that, for all you ladies out there, that is here as well. They have Kiss the Rock show up here. If you guys want to check that out, you can. The wine cellar is up on the left-hand side, and then they have the Vegas gift shop as well. They have a mini golf entrance straight up here for those who enjoy the mini golf. Las Vegas Fight Dome is up here too. This Kiss car is kind of cool. I think that we'll leave off here for the Rio for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, please like the video. If you guys want to check out some of the scents in Las Vegas, check out that Aroma retail site. I'll put the link down in the description. Enter that promo code 4K Vlogs for 10% off, I believe it is. But anyways, I think we will pick up with you on the next one. Until next time.